Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 12, Enhancing Final Inspection Outcomes. In this video, you will learn what is final inspection, when to conduct final inspection, key checks in final inspection, using AQL in final inspections, real factory scenario, best practices to improve final inspections, sample final inspection checklist, what buyers look for in final QA. What is final inspection? Definition: final inspection is the last QA step before shipment. It checks if finished products meet buyer specifications and are free from defects. Main goals: verify product quality, ensure correct packing, labeling, and documentation, confirm quantity and assortment, prevent rejections and returns. When to conduct final inspection? When at least 80% of the shipment is packed, prior to buyer QC visit or internal approval, after finishing and packing is completed, before issuing the final inspection certificate. Key checks in final inspection. A final inspection is like a dress rehearsal. Everything should be perfect, just as the buyer expects. Checkpoint description: workmanship, stitching, print, embroidery, trims, measurement, sample pieces checked against size spec, color appearance, shade matching, dirt, all marks, labeling, tagging, correct barcode, style, size, care labels, packing, folding, polybag, carton quality, assortment, sizes, colors, quantity breakdown. Using AQL in final inspections. AQL is a statistical tool to decide if a shipment passes or fails. Common AQL levels: 2.5, 1.5, 4.0. Sample size based on shipment quantity. Example: for 1,200 PCs at AQL 2.5, sample 80 PCs. Accept 5 defects, reject if 6 or more. Real factory scenario: failed final inspection. Issue: buyer rejected shipment due to open seams and wrong tag on some garments. Investigation: no inline check after stitching. Packing team used old label format. Final inspector missed tag issue due to workload. Corrective action: retrained inspectors on tag specs. Added inline QC step post stitching. Introduced cross-check step during packing. Best practices to improve final inspections. Always use buyer-approved specs and samples. Use defect classification guide. Follow a standard inspection checklist. Have trained and fresh QA team conduct inspections. Use digital tools to log and report findings. Sample final inspection checklist. 1. Workmanship. 2. Label, correct style, barcode. 3. Size spec, plus, tolerance. 4. Shade match, visual light box. 5. Packing, clean, no damage. 6. Assortment, color size verified. 7. Quantity, counted cartons versus invoice. What buyers look for in final QA. Consistency with approved sample. Product meets all promised features. Neat, clean, and safe packaging. No major or critical defects. On-time inspection scheduling. Transparent documentation. Quick summary: Module 12. Final inspection is your last line of defense. AQL helps make fair pass-fail decisions. Always align checks with buyer expectations. Use checklist and trained team. Fix problems upstream. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 13, Sample Assessments and Approvals.